Preparations are in full blast for the Metro Manila-wide earthquake drill set for later this month. The activity is in line with the disaster preparedness program of the government. Christine Santos reports.
Almost 2 weeks from now, the Metropolitan Manila Development will conduct a metro-wide earthquake drill. The 8,000 volunteers of the MMDA are gearing up for the drill in an effort to prepare the public for the strong earthquake or the big one. But before the metro-wide drill, there are preparations the MMDA, together with the National Youth Commission and volunteers from the Philippine State College of Aeronautics in Pasay, are set to conduct.
Ito po ay pagpapakita na dapat at kayang sumali at tumulong ng kabataan para makapaghanda hindi lang ang sarili nila, kundi ang lahat ng mamayan ng Metro Manila at ng buong bansa.
The school became an evacuation area in 2013 when Typhoon Yolanda hit the country.
Is organized team already since the time that we had experienced the Yolanda incident, where we were tapped as where our students were tapped as youth volunteers in the Air Force to assist the Yolanda victims evacuating to Manila.
The training is centered on youths from different parts of Metro Manila, following the agreement signed by the Department of Interior and Local Government and NYC. The training includes basic life and emergency support, such as CPR, proper cleaning of wounds, physical assessment, and trauma response.
Yung pong mga bago pong techniques, lalo na po pagdating sa response. Una-una po yung spine board management, then yung CPR po, na lalo pong importante pagdating po sa bahay natin na kung sakaling yung pamilya po natin yung magkaroon ng aksidente or maging biktima ng cardiac arrest.
For student leaders Jen Mark, Kent, and Alisa, youths should take the preparation for the possible earthquake seriously.
The big one is not a joke, so sa lahat ng kabataan dyan, let us always be prepared. Dapat sumunod tayo sa mga instructions, alamin natin kung ano yung basic things na dapat nating action kapag nagkaroon ng calamities, disasters.
Kapag if ever may ganito, pag na-encounter natin yung earthquake, dito tayo tatakbo, ito yung gagawin natin, ihanda mo na lahat ng pwede nating gamitin.
Nila kung ano yung dapat kasi para po naman sa kanila to